name is Drupal and I am studying in class 4th. Today I am going to do a small experiment about friction. So the things which I am going to use for this experiment is a box, a cardboard sheet, foil, bubble wrap, towel, and last but not least, cars. In this experiment, I am going to keep the cardboard here and I will keep some surfaces like foil in it like this and see how much friction does it appear on the car. First, let's start with foil. As we can see, the car is so fast, means there is not that much friction. Now let's see how much friction does it appear with bubble wrap. As we can see, it was little bit slower than the foil. So now let's continue our experiment with towel. We'll keep the towel like this and we'll see how much friction does it has. This was slower than bubble wrap and foil. So we can see how much friction does appear in different surfaces. If you want, you can try to do this experiment with two surfaces in one time, like this. If you have two cars, then you can see the experiment more faster and easier, like this.